Somebody just unlocked it. Oh my god, they just started it. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today, we are still on lockdown and everything like that. So today, I am going to get an oil change because my oil life is on 7%. I'm about to show y'all right here. It's real low, and now it's saying like change the oil every time I start the car. So I'm about to go get the oil change. I thought everything would have been closed because we're on lockdown right now, but I didn't know if they thought that, you know, like the service department was essential, like car service was essential, which it really is. I don't know why I didn't think about that. I'm at 6,268 miles on this car, and this is my second oil change. So I got an appointment. I'm talking to y'all like I don't have an appointment, and I'm kind of about to be running late a little bit. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the dealership, and I'm gonna show you how everything goes. So let's go. See y'all, I just dropped the car off right there. They're gonna do the oil change and put the locking lugs on for me. Cause I had the locking lugs for about, can't even see me, I had the locking lugs for about, I don't know, like 3-4 months. But I complained about the radio too. I didn't let y'all know, but the radio shuts on and off randomly. Like it just resets by itself. So they said it take 2 hours, and I can't wait that long to do that because I got work. So I'm gonna just get the oil change and come back and see about the radio. But I just dropped the car off, and I'm gonna wait for the signature. Then I'm gonna go look at some Corvettes, because the C7 prices are probably gonna start going down, so I might just start looking to get one. I don't know, bro. Like, it depends on where I'm at the next year, because I know it's not smart to keep getting in and out of cars. I know that's really dumb financially, but this is my dream car, bro, and it's starting to go down, bro, so I might just do it. But the C8s look crazy. I want to go inside and look at it, but I really don't want to touch nothing. I don't want to get that person's license plate in there, but that joint's clean, bro. That is clean. So y'all, now I'm walking because I seen this crazy red, I don't know if it was a 06 or a Grand Sport, but I seen it from the street. So I'm trying to find it so I can show y'all. Like, I really do want a C7, bro. I know it's not smart to just keep getting out of cars, but I really wanted a Corvette for a minute. Even before I got this last car, I was this close to getting a Corvette, but I was like, you know what, nah, because I'm about to move out and stuff, and I didn't want to put too much on me, you know what I'm saying? But I know for sure I can handle a Corvette. Like, you know what I'm saying, I can do it, especially now that prices are going down because the C8s come out. Or do you think I should just wait, stack up, and get a C8? Because them C8s are crazy. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but I think if the C7s go down to like close to 30 something, bro, for a Grand Sport, or even if like close to 30s or something like that, like even if it's 40 something, bro, them, and it's a newer one too, oh my god. So I know it was over here somewhere, I don't see it. Yeah, I don't got corona, I just swallowed my spit, bro. That's all it was, I don't got corona, y'all. But yeah, I'm trying to find it. Oh, it's right there. Bro, this joint's nasty, cause I seen it from the street. Cause look, I can get a Stingray, but I don't like how they look. Like, I like them. There's only one dude that I really liked a lot. He has a white one. He got a nice C7, bro, like a Stingray. But I don't really like the Stingrays because I like the wider ones, like this, bro. Like, oh my gosh, this is the 06, bro. This fit me, bro. Like, I feel like this fit me. I don't know if the door opening. I don't want to touch nothing, bro. But it's worth corona. Nah, I can say that's not, bro. God forbid me getting corona, man. Cause I don't. Oh my gosh, bro. Maybe like in another couple months, their prices will be, you know, down, and you know, depending on where I am in life, you know what I'm saying, I might just, you know, go ahead and do it. Whether it's a year and some change from now, whatever. However it go, you know what I'm saying? If it's meant for me to have it, I will have it. But this joint is really nice, bro. Look at this G-Wagon too. I don't know if I would spend that much money on a G-Wagon. Would y'all spend that much money on a G-Wagon? They're like 100 and something, bro. I don't think it's worth it. Like, the new ones are nice, but these ones, like, the interior is so basic to me, bro. It must be like really good quality or something, because it's not worth it, bro. it doesn't even look that nice, bro. But the new ones though, the one with the new lights and all that, bro, them are hard. And the inside is crazy, bro. But I'm not spending no, I wouldn't buy a G-Wagon unless it was the new one. But this Z06 look crazy, bro. I would get a Grand Sport and do exactly everything. Like, I wouldn't want a red one, to be honest, but I would get a Grand Sport and I would do everything, the same thing to this. I would do the same thing. The little, I don't know what that is right there, but it make it look so aggressive. These little side things right here make them look so aggressive, bro. I would do the same exact thing, bro. I kind of feel weird about the locking lugs just because they're black and every other lug nut is silver. So I don't know how that's gonna look. It might look stupid, so I might have to order some black lug nuts. But in the meantime, it should be okay. You done started the C8, bro. I don't know if they did it for me or what. Look at that, bro. It sounds good too. Would y'all go with a C7 Z06 or a C8 Stingray, bro? And this is the base, bro. So imagine a Z06 and a Grand Sport. Oh my gosh, bro. See, with the red interior, bro. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all going to see it on camera. This junk's crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, y'all. So I got the lug nuts on. Oh, right there. It don't look that stupid. It don't look that stupid. And I finished the oil change. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and join the family. I'm on the way to work, so I'm kind of rushing a little bit. But yeah, so the oil change is done. I put the locking lugs on, or the locking lug nuts. There it go. I'll put them on. It sucks because this whole coronavirus thing, it kind of limits you to what you can do, and we're on a lockdown right now, so you're really not supposed to be going anywhere unless it's important. So, you know, I can't really do much, but y'all let me know in the comments down below and let me know what y'all want to see. Was that an alarm? No. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff for the inside, like inside the house, you know. I can do, you know, a lot of different things that can go on, you know, pranks or whatever. Y'all just let me know what y'all want to see in the comments down below. While I'm on this lockdown, whether it's talking videos, you know, different type of videos, prank videos, challenges, whatever y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just comment down below, because I don't know how long this lockdown is going to last. They say 2 weeks, but you never know. When I had like 7% oil, my car sounded different when I started it up. Everything sounded different, but I mean, now it sounds straight and it feels different, but it could just be a mental thing though. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.